got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Crest on the bottom and on top.
Alrighty, will we get a diamond? Ha ha ha. That's funny to anyone that watches Bridgerton, which is probably just be in this crowd, but that's fine. We'll be right. I spent my evening last night watching the first half of the new season. And now I have to wait another month for the other half. Oh, Sylvanas Windrunner, Lost Vikings 2, Sigma emotes. I can move it the right way. Blackthorn, Zertul, and Diablo. Etc. Greymane, a cube of Endaria, Rock and Roll Racing, Blackhand, and Tigers Finlay. Lunara, Gul'dan, Echo Ultimate Ready, Tigers Finlay, Valerian Minsk, and Tyrande Whisperwind. Magni Bronzebeard, Sergeant Hammer, Cube of Baal, Garrosh Hellscream, Belial, and Gom. Elise Starseeker, Echo, Zarya Ultimate Ready, Aurea, Lady Vashi, and Enduin Luther. The Lost Vikings. Whoa. That was a numbered Overwatch card that I accidentally spoiled. But we have a 24/50 Zenyatta Ultimate Ready. I love Zen. He's so good. Oh my god.
It looks crazy.
It looks so cool.
Cracked ice.
The Overwatch numbered cards go so much harder than the World of Warcraft ones. The World of Warcraft ones are just like a normal card. This is sick. Oh my god. We have Khadgar, Gul'dan, and Yasuda. Why did I try and re-sleeve that? The Lost Vikings, Genji Shimada, Anduin Lothar, Novaterra, we have Droon and Baal. Hello, Edbox, how you doing? We have our Hearthstone booklet and Akama. Teresa, Nemzi Necrofizzle, Zergling, Kalvis Sunstrider, Kurdian Wildhammer, and Probe. Hello, Graham. We have Lady Liadrin, RPM Racing, Cube of Lilith, Orgrim Doomhammer, Arthas Benehill, and Terran Gorfiend. Another Hearthstone booklet and Illidan. Winton, May, Uther out of Samwise, Gormash, Hellscream, Zul'in, and Imperius. Garrosh, Hellscream, Lucio, Cube of Malthael, Minoroth. Oh my god, I thought I said Meowth. That's Mediv. And Turalyon. Valera Sanguina. We have a Terran Warbanner. A Bran Bronzebeard. And Jim Raynor. Brightwing, Deathwing, Bastion, Egwin, Maeve Shadowsong, and Arcturus Mix. Anna, RPM Racing, BlizzCon, from 10th anniversary, which was hacked by Sombra, Illyria Windrunner, Zergling, and Inarius. Anub Arak, Farah. We have Cube of Mephisto, Andariel, Uther Lightbringer, and Leah. Wrecking Ball, a Terran Warbanner, Butcher, and Cho'Gall. Ash, Thrall, RPM Racing, Banshee, Duriel, and Sergius to finish us off.